I come from a family which was building concrete, very heavy materials. I met my husband now, who is the technical director at PCT, and got into contact with lightweight materials, with carbon fiber, which was very fascinating. So I started also to do my major thesis at university in composite materials already in terms of architecture, basically. There is many advantages these lightweight materials offer. I'm an architect myself, so I know how important the design is for architects. They call often for bespoke designs being very three-dimensional, so you need molded materials. Therefore, composites are very suitable. I think a key advantage, of course, is the lightweight. I think you save a lot of money when you eliminate expensive steel structures. I think also the off-site fabrication is a very big advantage. You have much better quality control. You can implement automated processes, which helps you to speed up production, but also reduce cost again. One I can talk about, which was for sure the highlight of my career, was the largest self-supportive carbon fiber roof in the world for Steve Jobs' theater in Cupertino, where we delivered almost 2,000 square meter roof, which weighed only, pure composite weighed only 36.9 tons. It eliminated all main structure, all steel, made the building very simple. I think most recently we worked on the Expo 2020 in Dubai. I think it's very important to speak to specialists, because we can help to analyze the designs, look for more repetition very often, because mold making is expensive, it adds a lot of cost. So we're always very keen to reduce these molds, but we also can help to choose the right materials to help the client or the end user then to have a commercially attractive solution. The way to produce also very large components brings many benefits, because you reduce your efforts in the pre-assembly on site. You know, it's a lot faster and easier. I have worked on solutions now also for projects which are in very difficult areas to access. You want to minimize really your time during installation, and also your weight in particular. Heavy components are very difficult to handle, and therefore lightweight materials will bring huge benefits to overcome these challenges. Very important is also to educate the people more to use them more structural. I see unfortunately still a lot of non-structural applications in the construction sector. We are always really driven to push these solutions to become more structural, to help and eliminate other structures built from steel. Corrosive materials, but also concrete, are sometimes very difficult to construct in certain project locations.